Hey guys, welcome to the last day of the PPC Tip week. If you've liked the videos that we've created and the suggestions that we've covered over the series of PPC tips, do like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got great content coming up. So here goes PPC tip number 7 of the PPC Tip week. A lot of new sellers jump the gun and start running PPC campaigns without properly optimizing their listings. This is very important because you not only drain a lot of money, but you also lose the opportunity to get those crucial extra sales. So if you'd like to understand the best practices of optimizing listings, you can refer to the link in the description below. So once you fully optimize your product listing, one important thing to do would be to A/B test. With PPC campaigns, you can literally do A/B testing on each field of your listing. So for example, you can test out 2 to 4 different types of images, titles, and bullet points and see what works and what doesn't. So the most important part here would be to do A/B testing for one thing at a time and minimize the external factors as much as possible, otherwise it might lead to false positives or false negatives. You can measure the performance of A/B testing by tracking clicks and conversions. Clicks mainly depend on title, main image, price, reviews and ratings, and conversions depend on all of the set factors and also copy of the listing, how readable the copy is, and enhanced brand content. So that's a wrap on PPC Tip Week. In case you haven't checked out our previous tips, head over to the description where we have a link to the entire playlist. Every video has amazing tips and tricks that will help you make smart choices while running PPC campaigns on Amazon. Again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and click on the bell button to get all the updates because we'll be coming up with more great content. As we speak, we're creating an explainer video on SellerApp PPC Analyzer. So good luck with your PPC campaigns. See you all again very soon. Bye-bye.